Welcome back. Today we will be talking about multiples of natural numbers. So let's first talk about what multiplying is. When we multiply, we're really doing a shortcut for repeated addition. For example, if I wanted to do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 5 times, instead of saying 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, we can say 2 times 5 equals 10. When we learn multiplication, we often start by learning to skip count. So we can also say 2 counted 5 times is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And so we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Each of those numbers we skip count are considered multiples of 2. So these are multiples of 2. Because if we do 2 times 1, we'll get 2. 2 times 2, we get 4. 2 times 3, we get 6. 2 times 4, we get 8. And 2 times 5, we get 10. In other words, these numbers here are multiples of 2. Let's do some examples and list multiples of 5. So we know that 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, and we can continue down this way. But when we're listing the multiples, we're really just skip counting. So we can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. You can list as many multiples as you'd like, but oftentimes we'll be using multiples to help us answer other questions. So you'll generally know when to stop. Let's list the first 10 multiples of 9. Now would be a great time to pause the video and try it on your own first. Here's what you should have gotten: 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. So you can always count up how many multiples you've written, but we do know that 9 times 10 is 90, so we know that this is the 10th multiple of 9. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this has been helpful in learning how to list multiples.